Hello, I'm Makiko Ikeda. Today's Makiko channel is about do-it-yourself. What I'm going to introduce this time is... I want to introduce a makeup box using a clear case sold at Daiso. And that makeup box, arranging the clear case, it's cute. I made it into a makeup box, but I have a lot of makeup tools. They keep increasing and I have trouble storing them. I think everyone feels the same way. I found a case here that fits perfectly, so I want to decorate it. The items I use are in this 3-tiered pull-out clear case that I bought at Daiso for 200 yen. Also, there are 8 of them. The second one is this seal. Stickers that can be pasted and peeled off, glue and ribbon, and a locust. Sharpies, anything you want to write is fine. I want to use masking tape and pastel colored paper. Yes, please watch how to do it. Let's get started quickly. First, I'm going to use origami, but today I want to make it with these 3 colors. 3 colors of yellow. Take out the case like this, take it out. So, I'm going to cut the origami to fit the size of this case, but first, I'm going to fold it so that the side without the indentation matches the edge, and make a crease. I'll make the crease with something like a nail. I'll fold it like this, then this part of the transparent case. Open the top a little and fold it. Fold it and mark the fold. Once you've done it like this, align the paper in the middle and use a pen or something to mark this part. Please write it as if you're engraving it.
Yes, once you've done it like this, go ahead and cut this paper.
Spread it out. Cut along the outside of the line you just drew. Yes, I've cut it. It will look like this. I'll do this for 2 more pieces. Yes, I've cut 3 pieces of paper into the same shape. Then next I'll move on to this part. I'll apply a peelable stick glue and in a mountain fold state, I'll do this. I'm going to stick the mountain fold part like this. The upper sides, I'm going to seal the ends here. You can use a regular stick, but I think it's better to use one that sticks and peels off without leaving any residue. Then I'll quickly stick it onto the case. About how to stick it on. Just like that. First this one. Fold the part where you made the crease, fold it lightly, align it with the center, and then paste it. Then, as it is, I've already pulled it, but please paste it firmly on the back as well, because the paper won't shift if you do. Okay, it's complete. Then I would like to paste the other two cases as well. Let's do it quickly then. This time I would like to use this masking tape. The masking tape I'm going to use this time is a bit wide, so I'm going to adjust the length and cut it in half and use it. I'll adjust it to this width. First, I'll stick the tape on a little bit at a time. And then stick it on horizontally as it is. I'll stick the tape on. Well, when you cut it, I want to cut along this line, but if I cut the tape like this, it will shift a little bit, so I recommend extending the cut a little bit more. Extend it a bit more and put the scissors in first, while pulling the masking tape towards the opposite side. Cut it, yes. This will match the width. I think I want to cut it in half here because it's a bit too wide. This is roughly the part where I fold it back, so I'll roughly cut it in half. It's a bit difficult to cut because it's tape, but this part won't be visible. It's totally fine, even if it's rough, yes. We'll leave it in this state. Then, before that, aim at this corner and make a vertical cut. We'll also make a vertical cut here. Yes, it's cut. To make it easier, fold it outward on the opposite side. Cut the notch horizontally there and keep cutting. Yes, it will look like this. Then cut this part in half again. Yes, it's done. We're going to fold it next, but first, fold this small part back. Fold the other side as well. Then fold it back up as it is, like this. When you do this, you can stick it back on from the top of the seal you first folded. I recommend doing this carefully and it will look like this. Do the same for the other two as well.
Yes, all three are done.
Then finally, it's not the end. I want to stick these stones here. I'll stick this right in the middle. You can use any color for this. I'll stick it in the center like this. Each one will be loose like this, so you can change the order as you like. It's convenient. Yes, it's completed like this. Yes, it's cute as it is, but I use it often, so I actually made another one in a different pink version. This is it, ta-da! I have some small items in it like this. I put in things like lip products, and there are lip products here too. And if it's cheek products or eyeshadows, for example. If they're thin items, you can stack 2 of them like this. It has that much space. Actually, this case can be stacked in 2 layers, and I want to do that today. It's cute as it is, but in the end, I'm going to use this ribbon. So, how to do it. Place it underneath. Tie it on top. This is about the length you want. Cut it a little longer than you need. Then cook it as usual. Are you going to tie it with a ribbon? Is it a butterfly knot? Yes, it's done like this. By doing this, it increases the cuteness and it also prevents it from sliding sideways. The top part is made to be transparent so you can see through it, and it's made to be visible. Like this. It's safe. If you add a pink ribbon or something, it will increase the cuteness even more. It was good, right? Like this. The case can be made for just 200 yen, using only items from a 100 yen shop, making it simple to construct. Please try it out, everyone. I think it would be cute even if you made it colorful or something, so please use it as a reference. Yes, and also Mako Ikeda is every Wednesday and Saturday from 8:00 post meridian. I upload various makeup videos and cosmetic introductions on the Mako channel. I'm introducing such DIYs, so please look forward to it. If you're interested, please rate, comment, subscribe to the channel, and wait for requests and so on. That's all for 100 yen clear case. It was a makeup box. Bye bye bye.